My name is Mara, and I live in Durango, Colorado, and I am happy to now be using my Greenfills laundry rinse and wash. This stuff is awesome. This is a company that cares about the environment, and they care about having non-toxic solutions to our laundry. So this is a great product. It cleans well, it smells good, it removes stains. I'm just so happy to be using this now and so excited about this movement of companies that are caring for our skin and our environment and our health. So some of my favorite aspects are this is the last laundry soap plastic container that I'll ever have to buy. So when I'm done with this, they send refills and I can just stick it in here and I don't have to throw this or buy new ones, and I don't have to throw this in the waste or recycle. So I'm super excited about that aspect of it. So it compares to other brands in the fact that it's non-toxic, and I can feel happy about putting it on my skin and not have to worry about it. So the smell of the product is clean and natural, and it's safe. And so in comparison to other brands, it's bar none my favorite that I've ever used. I'm so excited to be a part of change in our laundry and items we put on our body.